So now let us get some practice, inshallah. Some mumarasa. Mumarasa means practice of what we just did. How do you say, in the classroom there are 3 students? In the classroom there are 3 students. So you'll just say fil fasli. Fil fasli. 3 students, right? Now you should ask yourself, should I make the adad mudhakkar or muannath? Okay? And in order to answer that, you need to ask, well, are the students male or female? Are the students male or female? Let's say they were male students. They were male students. So in the classroom, there are 3 male students. What would we say? What's the word for 3 male students? Well, we know it. It's tullab. Tullabun. Tullabun, 3 male students. Is this word masculine or feminine? Again, go to the singular of it. Talib. Remember, talib is the singular of tullab. Is it masculine or feminine? It is masculine. So that's telling you that the adad is going to be the opposite of that. So if this is masculine, the adad is going to be feminine. Okay? So we know we're going to say 3 is thalathatu. Thalathatu tullab. Is that correct so far? 3 students. Is it thalathatu tullabun? No. We must make this mudafun ilayhi. Thalathatu tullabin. Okay, that is 3 students. So now let's write it. Fil fasli. Thalathatu tullabin. Tullabin. Thalathatu tullabin. In the classroom there are 3 male students. Now let's say we wanted to change it around and say in the classroom there are 3 female students. 3 female students. What are going to be the changes? Is it still going to be tullab? No, it's not. Okay, what's it going to be? It's going to be talibat. Talibat. Tun, right? Talibatun. Talibatun, it's the singular is taliba, talibatun, and it's muannath. So this has to be mudhakkar. So we know for sure it's not going to have this ta. And it's going to become thalathu talibatun. No. Thalathu talibatin. Thalathu talibatin. So it would be fil fasli. You can just add it right here. Fil fasli. In the classroom, thalathu talibatin. There are 3 female students. And it's as simple as that. Let's do 2 more examples. Okay. Now let's do a new word. What's the word for day? The word for a day is yawm. Yawmun. What is the plural of yawm? Now I can't remember if we already learned this word, but I'll give it to you. The word is ayyam. Ayyam. Ayyamun. Ayyamun, plural of yawm. Okay? So if I ask you a question, let me write it down for you so it becomes so clear. Kam يوما في الأسبوع. كم يوما في الأسبوع. How many days are in a week? How many days are in a week? Al-usbu is a word that you've already learned. So كم يوما. Remember كم الاستفهامية, يوما is the tamyiz. We did that in the previous lesson. How many days are in a week? So you will say fil usbu'i, in a week. In a week, there are, you don't say anything with there are, it's understood. How many days? Hopefully you said 7, right? So we want to say 7 days. So we know 7 is sab'a or sab'atu, but we're not sure if we're going to say sab'u or sab'atu. How do we figure it out? We look at the word ayyam, singular is yawm. Well, is yawm masculine or feminine? Yawm is masculine. The adad is masculine. The adad is masculine, and so the ma'adud is going to be mu'annath. And the answer is going to be fil yawmi sab'atu ayyam. Is it going to be ayyamun? No, it's mudafun ilayhi. Ayyamin. Sab'atu ayyamin. Fil usbu'i sab'atu ayyamin. That's how you do al-adadu wal-ma'dud. You can do this with all of the numbers. Note, very important, the number 8, if it's masculine, it's going to be thamani. Okay, sorry. Thamani, and there's a sukoon here, thamani. It's not a dhamma, it's a sukoon, okay? That's a common mistake that many people make, even I make that mistake sometimes. But we must remember it's a sukoon. Thamani is 8. But if it's feminine, if the word is feminine, it becomes thamaniyatu. Thamaniyatu. The ta appears there. This word is weird. We learn more about it in book 2, inshallah ta'ala. Hopefully that cleared it up. We're going to do the exercises, inshallah, and the reading and the vocabulary next.